Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time clicking onto my video, welcome. I hope you stay and please hit that subscribe button so that you join the family. Okay guys, in today's video we're going to make a chicken barbecue pizza. So first you're gonna add a cup of water and you're gonna add some yeast, and then you're going to set that aside. And then in another bowl you're going to add 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and just gonna mix that together. So I was using my stand mixer for this because I just didn't want to knead the dough by hand, but you can do this in a normal bowl and you can just mix and then you can knead after you're done mixing. So then you're gonna add to the flour, you're gonna add about 1/4 cup of oil, and you're also gonna add that yeast mixture. Unfortunately, I lost quite a lot of clips of this video, but you're just gonna knead, and then after kneading you're gonna set it aside in a warm place so that yeah. And then in the pan you're going to add your oil and you're going to fry your chicken breast just like how I'm doing. It was a chicken breast, so I just diced it. And then to the chicken breast you're going to add about half a tablespoon of barbecue spice, because we're making a barbecue pizza, remember. So yeah, then you're just gonna mix everything together like that, and then you're just gonna let it cook for a few minutes. So just keep on stirring your chicken here and there so that it doesn't burn. And then once it's cooked, you're gonna add some barbecue sauce, and you're just gonna make sure that all the chicken is fully coated in the barbecue sauce. Then you're just gonna let it simmer for a little bit, and then you're gonna set it aside so that it cools down whilst we move on to the dough. So again, I lost some footage, but after the 45 minutes, I just rolled my dough, and then I added it into a pan like that, and then I baked it for about 5 minutes on 160. And then after that I added some barbecue sauce first, and then I added my chicken, the cold chicken that I'd cooked before. So then I add that, and then I just spread it out nicely like that. I think I should stop saying like that. I always say it. Once you're done spreading out your chicken, you're gonna add some cheese. You can use any cheese that you have. I had mozzarella cheese, so that's what I added. Then you're just gonna spread it nicely all over. And I also had some red onion in the fridge, so I also diced that and I used that. I just added it on top. Once you're done doing that, you add it to the oven, you bake it for 10 minutes or up until the cheese is melted. Either or, you do whatever works for you. So yeah guys, after 10 minutes the pizza is looking good, the house was smelling amazing, and then I just cut the pizza like that, and then yeah, I enjoyed it guys. So this was an easy recipe, you should try it out, and it was also delicious. That's it for today's video guys. Make sure you subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notifications bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I post a video. Thank you so much. Bye.